Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a pop-up in WordPress using Elementor 100% free. No pro version required. We will use a clever workaround and design a fully custom pop-up in minutes. Let's get started. Elementor Pro has built-in pop-ups, but we are going to use a free plugin called Pop-up Builder or Elementor add-ons and widgets. Both work great. Go to Plugins tab from the left sidebar. Search for Pop-up Builder by Icons. Then hit enter. Select the first app. Install it. This gives us pop-up trigger functionality without needing Elementor Pro. Now let's build the actual pop-up design using Elementor. Go to template. Click customize site. Then add new. Choose section or page. Name it pop-up template and click edit with Elementor. You can use headings, forms, images, anything you want inside your pop-up. Use inner section and add padding for better design. Use motion effects, entrance animation to make it pop smoothly. Now go to pop-up builder, add new pop-up and choose your trigger like on page load, on scroll or click trigger. Under content, choose use Elementor template. Select your template from the drop-down, configure pop-up size, background overlay, and choose button options. This links your Elementor design directly into the pop-up. Super easy. Now choose how and when the pop-up will show. On page load, delay by 3 to 5 seconds. On scroll, great for exit intent. On click, you can trigger with a button or link. You can also control which pages to shows on mobile behavior and frequency, all for free. Now save everything, go to your site and test it. You will see the pop-up work just like Pro, clean, smooth and fully responsive. Make sure your caching plugin doesn't block the pop-up. Make sure your caching plugin doesn't block the pop-up on reloads. And that's how you create a working pop-up in Elementor for free. No pro version needed. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe and comment below if you want part 2 on email capture or exist pop-ups. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.